Meaning of hysterically.
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 Hysterically. Hysterically is an adverb that describes an intense emotional state of someone who is laughing, crying, or reacting to a situation in an exaggerated manner. The person may be unable to control their emotions or behave irrationally. Hysterical behavior can be caused by fear, anxiety, stress, or extreme happiness. The result of such behavior is often disruptive to the individual and those around them. In extreme cases, it may lead to physical symptoms such as hyperventilation or fainting. It's important to identify and manage hysterical behavior before it becomes harmful to oneself or others.